Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to do this Microsoft Word practicals. So here you are encouraged to practice all these tasks by yourself, and the goal here is to learn how to utilize word processing tools that will enable you work efficiently with technology in your different careers. And we see that Microsoft Word is an efficient tool for making all kinds of documents, like letters, updates, reports, research projects, and also typesetting books and magazines. And it also allows you to add color and clip art. So writing in various font sizes and also using tables, borders, and bullet formatting reduces the tediousness and increases productivity. So you're supposed to take these tasks seriously because it's a skill that it will follow you in the rest of your career. So just aim at acquiring knowledge and experience. So if we look at task 1, we're going to be a little bit fast. The instructions are you're supposed to create a folder on the desktop named Word task. So I can copy that Word task, then minimize here. Then you go to your desktop and right click on your mouse. When you right click, there is new here. Then we need a folder, new folder. Okay, then we paste the name that we have been given, Word tasks. So we have created our folder. This is how you create a folder. Then the next instruction is create a document with the text given below and save it as task 1. So I'll copy task 1, copy. Yeah, copy, you press Control C on your keyboard. So I'm copying this name task 1 so that I can name my document. So we are being told in the folder you created above. So you come to this folder and double click on it so that you open it, Word task. So inside this folder, you right click on your mouse. Then we are creating new, but we are creating a new Microsoft Word document. So we do that, then we paste the name there. You can either paste or type it. So we have created task 1 document. So if you look, we have the folder. Inside the folder, we have the document. Then I can double click on the document to open my document. So you can open your document in 2 ways, by double clicking or right click and then press open there. Yeah, it opens. Even your folder, you can double click on it, okay, or you can right click on your mouse and click on open. Click on open, it opens the folder. So let me double click. So here is my Word document. So we go back to the instructions, create a document with the text given below. So if you have time, you can type so that you learn how to type fast. But if you don't have time, you can just copy these, the wordings. Okay, they come up to there. Yes, I think up to there. So you just highlight. Yeah, you left click on your mouse, hold, then drag up to the end, then release, then you control copy, Control C on your keyboard to copy that work. Then you come and paste it here. So when pasting here, we have you right click, then we have paste options. There are several. There is the first one which says keep source formatting. There is the second one, merge formatting. There is the third one, keep text only. I think let's use keep text only in this case because we want to do the formatting by ourselves. So I'll say I'll press on that one. Yeah. Okay. Let me do it again. You right click, then you come to paste. We have 3 options. So I'll come to the keep text only. You press that. So you find that work has come to this side. So you need to put it in order so that it looks like this one. Yeah. You see here we are having this one on its own, then the paragraph, this one on its own, then the paragraphs, something like that. So I'll go and make my work like that. So we have this one on this line. Then I will ensure that this one matches. Yeah, just put your work in order. Yeah, actually, let me even remove this. Let's just use the keep text only to take time. Let me just use copy, and let me copy this. Control copy, Control C, then right click, paste, keep source formatting. Still, it brings the same. There's no problem. Let's go back and do what we are supposed to do. Do like that. Put your work in order like that. So it's best to type, or you can do this. Yeah. Like that. Like that. Is it like that? Let me see. Do we have space between those? Yes, there's a space here. There's space there. Okay. Because these are titles, there's space, there's space, there's space there. So we do the same here. I'm putting a space there. Also here. Just click there. Press backspace on your keyboard to take it back on the upper side. Click there. Press backspace like that. Click there. Press backspace like that. Yes. Yeah. So like that, we are having our 3 paragraphs and our 3 titles. Then you click save on your document up here, save, or you can just press on your keyboard Control S to save your work. Control S on your keyboard, and you see here it says saved to this PC. So my work has been saved. Yeah, it's always good to keep on saving as you do the changes. Yeah, you keep on saving as you do the changes. So the above text has 3 paragraphs and titles. Do the following on the above text. Remember, keep saving your work always by pressing Control S. That is a shortcut on your keyboard to save your work. Control S. To copy your work is Control C. To paste your work is Control V on your keyboard. So save, Control S. Copy, Control C. Paste, Control V. So the instruction number 1 here, you're being told to make all the text above to font style Times New Roman. Okay? And font size to be 12. So what you do, you can come to this document and click anywhere and press Control A. Control A helps you to highlight all your document. Control A, you see, it highlights all your document. And the instruction has told us to font size. This is where you find the font. If you point here, the font, yeah, the font style, it's here. Then the font size is here. So we need the font style to be Times New Roman. So you can type Times New So if you type, you see it comes here, Times New Roman. So you click there, Times New Roman. So all our text has been changed to Times New Roman. Then size was size 12. Size was size 12. So we have done that. Font style, Times New Roman, font size 12. Then number 2, select each of the above paragraphs and justify, align the text. Justify, align the text. So here, each of the paragraphs, we can do it, each of the paragraphs like that. We highlight each paragraph like that, but you can decide also you highlight all the document like that, and come here. This is where we align. There is align left, align center, align right, and justify. This is the justify align that we are supposed to do. This one ensures here it's also straight and here straight. This is for the left, this is for the middle, center. This is how you center your work, center align, right align, left align, and the justify align. So it ensures that the text is distributed in all to the end of the page, and you see your document looks well. So after you do that, there is a space here being left, so that means this needs to go up. Use the backspace key, like that. So I think now it's okay, in that order. Then you can click save here, or Control S to save your work, saved to this PC. Then the next thing is make the first title of document bold, then underline, then center align, then font size it should be 18, font style it should be Arial black. So we need to do all this. So we are being told make the first title. So you have to go to the document, and the first title is this. What is willpower? Okay, this is the first title. The second title is here. The third title is here. So you highlight. You just click, left click and hold, then drag up to there and release. After release, then we say the instructions are, the first instruction, make of the document bold. It should be bold, so it is highlighted. So you can come here, we have the bold functionality, and if you look here, the bold, the shortcut, the keyboard shortcut is Control plus B. Okay, so or you can just click there, bold. It is bold. Then the next thing you're supposed to do is underline. Put a line on it, so it is still highlighted. So ensure it is highlighted. If it's not, you have to highlight it again. So underline, this is italics, this is underline. So you underline, you're putting a line on it. Then the next thing is center align. So center align, this is still highlighted. So center align is this, center align, you click there. You see it comes in the middle. Then the next thing is font size 18. Ensure it is highlighted for you to enforce the formatting features. So we go to 18. You see, we have increased the size to 18. Then the next thing will be font style, Arial black. So ensure it is highlighted before you go here to select Arial black. Arial black, it is here, Arial black, it comes there, you click there. So you see what is willpower. So we are done with that. You save your work. You go to the next step. You go to the next step. The next step is that was this. Go to the next step. Make the second title of the document bold. Okay, so let's go and highlight the second title. You're supposed to make it bold, so you click there, bold. Left align. Ensure it is highlighted. Then you find left align. I think that's right. This is the left align. So yeah, it remains there. Left align. It's in the right place there. Then font size 16. The other one was 18. This one is 16. Font size 16. Okay. Font color purple. Oh my god, purple. The color. This is the font color. So we need to find purple. Is this purple? Yes, it brings the name there, purple. So this is purple. So font color purple. I know some of the people most people are colorblind. Oh, purple. Okay, so it's purple. Then font style Bodoni empty black. So ensure it is highlighted. Then you come font style Bodoni empty space black. So it is this one, empty black. Bodoni empty black. You put that. Okay. Then we are done with that. That is number 4. We are done with it. So whenever you're done with a number, you save by pressing Ctrl S or clicking here on the save button. Okay, what question 5 is make the third title of document bold. So let's go there. The third title is this one. You're supposed to make it bold. Okay, then right align. So you come here and right align is that one, align right, click, so it goes the other side. Okay, that's it. You have to follow the instructions. Font size is 14. Ensure it is highlighted for it to take effect. You see, like that. Then font color blue. It is highlighted. Font color blue. Where is blue? This is blue accent. We just want blue, light blue. Yes, here is blue. Yeah, because they need exactly blue. Okay. Then after that, I'm trying to font style Broadway. So the font style here is Broadway. So you type there Broadway. It is there, Broadway. So you put that. So we are done with number 5. So you press Ctrl S to save your work. Okay, that is good. So far so good. We are doing good. Then we apply a drop cap on the first paragraph. So this is how you apply a drop cap on the first paragraph. This is the first paragraph. A drop cap normally is enlarging the first character of the paragraph to be big. So you highlight it where you click there and highlight that first letter. Then you go to the menu and find drop cap, insert. You click on insert menu, then you come here, drop cap. Drop cap. So there is you choose the first style. This one is good, where the first letter is big. So that's how you insert a drop cap, making the first initial letter large. So if you come here to drop cap, we have so many options. If you drop cap options, you can come to options and see which ones you want. Like here, it has dropped on this letter. It has dropped on 3 lines. You can lines to drop 3. Yeah, you can add. Yeah, and the distance from text you can also add. But for now, let us not go there. I think we just need to know the fundamentals. So this is how you insert a drop cap on your document and you save. Then from there you go and make, actually if you point at the drop cap, it gives you a description. Create a large capital letter at the beginning of paragraph. Yeah, it gives you a description of what it does. That's the goodness with Microsoft Word. Okay, the next thing we're going to look at is make the whole last paragraph italic. Make the whole last paragraph italic. So this is the last paragraph. You highlight it and you make it italic. So you go to home and the menu, there is italic feature. So if you press, you find that the text has been changed to italic. So that's it, and you save your work. Okay. Then next, page margin. Use what you prefer. Yes, page margin. You see, the page margin is the spaces here, the spaces on the left and right, top and bottom. Okay. So for you to deal with that, you normally go to the layout menu, then margins. Okay, margins. You can put narrow. Narrow, you see, it increases, it makes the margins narrow, both and left, right, top, and sides, like that. Okay. So this is where you can choose any. Then you can put normal. Yeah, this is the normal. So I will use this one, normal. It is just use normal for now. Or you can use narrow. No, let's just use these moderate also. You can use moderate. Yeah, that's better. Moderate. That's good. So that's how you deal with the margins. But if you want to put custom margins where you are asked to put specific length, you go here and specify top, bottom, right, and left. Okay, then you press OK. That's where you set them. Okay, the next thing we are looking at, let page orientation be portrait. Page orientation. Yeah, what is a page orientation? It's still on the layout, then you come to orientation. Yeah, so far our document is in portrait. Portrait, it's horizontal, and landscape is, portrait is vertical, landscape is horizontal. So let me put it in landscape and see how it looks. You see, the document is put on a slanting mode on horizontal. Our document is put on horizontal manner. So if you want your work to print a document in horizontal or landscape orientation, this is a way, but we have been asked to put it in portrait, so let's use portrait. Yeah, so that's it. So for you to understand what is orientation here, change page orientation gives your pages a portrait or a landscape layout. If you want to learn more, you can click here, tell me more, and you learn more about orientations. Okay, then the next thing will be select borders for your document. Select borders for your document. Sometimes you may need to put a border to your document just to enhance the beauty of it. So if you go through these menus, there are places where, like here, design, page design menu, the design menu, you find that at the other side here we have a page border. So you can click page borders and see which one you want. Page borders, they are here. If you scroll here, there are different types of page borders. Yeah, there are also custom page borders, 3D page borders, box page borders, shadow. Okay, let me use box. Then you can select the style that you need. I can use this one or the wavy one. Yeah, so this is how it will look on your document. You can say whole, apply to whole document, or to this section. Yeah, it depends on what you want. I'm applying for the whole document. In case you don't want this, you can use art styles. There are images here. You can use them as your borders. Is, for example, the trees, yeah, or you can use the loves if you are writing a love letter or something like that. Yeah, but for now, let me be a little bit proficient with this one. Okay, then you say okay. So you see, there's a page border in a page. Yeah, that's the border, professional one. Yeah, that's it. Or the other ones for the art, though I don't. This ones, yeah, you can put that, but it looks childish. But you can choose any one. Yeah, it depends on your preference. Okay, let me pick that one. Yeah, okay, that's the border we have. So that's how you insert a border in your document. Select borders for your document. Then we have insert page numbers at the bottom of the page. Okay, and center. Okay, it should be at the bottom of the page and at the center. So you go to insert menu, then page numbers. It's here. Yeah, so top of page, no, we want bottom of page and at the center, this one. Yeah, this is on the other side, this on the other side, this on the other side. You want at the center. So you click that and you realize that our page has received a page number as 1 here. Yeah, page number 1. That's how you insert page numbers. Then insert headers. Insert headers as learning how to use MS Word. So we need to insert a header. I will copy learning how to use MS Word. Control C. You highlight, then Control C to copy. Then you come to your document. Then you go to insert header. We have footer and header. So headers, you can insert it anywhere. Middle, there's this one. Let me use that. It looks nice. Yeah, document title, something like that. Can delete that. Then paste, Control V to paste the one I want. Learning how to use MS Word. But I don't like it. Let me find a different one. A simple one. Insert headers. Let me use this one, a simple one. Yes, so you type here. You can remove that and Control V to paste the one you copied on the other side. Remove that bracket. So that's it, learning how to use MS Word. So this header will appear in all pages that you'll be having in this particular document. So if I add another page, you find that all your pages will be having this particular header, learning how to use MS Word. You see this is a new page with that header. Okay. Okay, I will remove that page. Insert, you can insert a blank page if you want. Yeah, actually, before you insert, ensure the cursor is below there. Then you go to insert blank page. Insert blank page. Then you have a new blank page. Okay, we were dealing with the headers, so we are done. We save our work. We go back. Insert footer as this 2023 my year. It's supposed to be it's my year for becoming. Okay, so Control C to copy. You come here, you insert footer. Okay, there are so many options. You can scroll down. Which one should I use? Which one should I use? trying to get one. Okay, I will use this one. Let's just use this. This is page 3. Okay, this one is bringing some Control Z is for undoing, yeah, for removing what you did. So I'm undoing, then I go back to insert. Let me use a simpler one so that it does not change the format that I need. A simple one. Where is it? Simple one. I don't know. Okay, I can use the same blank one, but I can paste my, yeah, say this is it's my year. You can highlight it, then you go to home and align right so that it goes the other side. Okay, just wanted it to be on the other side. So you find that I'm having 3 pages. Let me delete these pages. Just need one. Yes, I think now we have 1 page. Okay, so the footer 2023, it's my year for becoming. Then the other side we have footer and header. The header is learning how to use Honest Word. So it looks dull, but when you print, it will be visible and it will be clear. So don't worry about that. Okay, then the next thing is insert watermark. And the watermark word should be dangerous content. Dangerous content. Control copy, Control C, that is. Font color should be red. The watermark should be dangerous content. The font color should be red. So you go to insert, then menu, then under insert, is it insert or design? Design, I think. Yes, under design menu, you go to watermark. It's here. Watermark, this is, we are saying the faint watermark is a great way to show that the document requires special treatment without distracting from the content. Yeah, yes. You can add confidential. There are some documents, government documents that normally have confidential watermark or agent behind the content of the page. So let us do that in this case. So let's use this. There's this one, horizontal, straight, that is horizontal, diagonal, yeah, do not copy, like that. But for us, we don't want to use these default formats. We want to create ours, custom watermark, okay, custom watermark, because we have our own word. No watermark, picture or text. We want to use text. So the text we are having is dangerous content, and the color, where do we set the color? The color of this should be red. So diagonal or horizontal, let us leave it diagonal. Then the color should be red. Yes, red. This is dark red, but let's use red. Okay, you can set red text. You can even put the font style, but let us just leave that because we have not been asked. Then you can apply. You see it is already appearing there. Okay, then you can close. So if you look at our document, behind it there is the word dangerous content. Yes, and the red is there. So the red is not being seen clearly. Okay, so we can go back and custom and semi-transparent. You uncheck this so that it is not semi-transparent, so that we see it clearly. Yeah, something like that. That one is better. Yeah, dangerous content. Are you seeing that? So that's how you insert watermark in your work. That's how you insert watermark in your work. Okay, we are still moving. We are still moving. Here we are being told to insert a table with 5 rows. Insert a table with 5 rows and 1 column after the paragraphs. Okay, after the paragraph. You're supposed to insert a table with 5 rows and 1 column. Yeah, after the paragraphs. Let the title be values. Okay, on remaining rows, fill discipline, hard work, consistency, passion, and let the table be centered. Let the table be centered. So we come to our document, and below it, after the paragraphs, it was clear after the paragraphs here. After the paragraphs, that is here. Let me move out of italics so that we normal. We are supposed to insert a table. So you come here to insert table. Insert table. We can use this, whether it will say 1 column and 5. Is it 5 rows and 5 rows? Something like that. Okay. Or we can just go and here type insert table. Then here you specify. Yeah, we're being told insert a table with 5 rows and 1 column. 5 rows, so here you put 5 and here 1 column. 1 column. Fixed column with out of it 2 contents or out of it 2 window. Let me leave this. Then say okay. So here is our table. This table of ours, we can reduce it to the size like that. Okay. So this is the table, and we are being told the title should be values. So you highlight, Control C. You come to the document at the top, Control V. Then the next one is you do the same. You have discipline, highlight, Control C. Then you come back here, Control V to paste. You go to the next, hard work, Control C. Then you come back here, you click there, Control V. Then we have what? Or you can just type it by yourself. Yeah, you can type it. Control C, come back here, Control V. Then you go back, we have passion, Control C, come back here, Control V. Okay, so here is our work. So you can highlight all this. We were being told to center, align, so that it is at the center. Okay, this is at the center. Reduce it like that. I can drag it, and drag it. I put it at the middle, somewhere here. Yes, somewhere there. Something like that. It looks good. Then you save your work. Actually, you can add some beauty. You can highlight this word and put it, give it a color, make it bold, increase the size to 16 so that it looks different from the others. Values, discipline, hard work, consistency, and passion. Then you save. Okay, that's it. Then you come to the next one. Lastly, use the snipping tool. Okay. Lastly, use the snipping tool to get an image from different source to your Word document. Let the image be centered. Let the image be centered. We want to use a snipping tool. So first of all, let me get a document. Let me get any document. Our PDF, I prefer a PDF document. Let me use this one, ITT books. I have a book here for ITT. I will open it. So I have this book, and let me find a book. I mean an image in this book. Then we will use snipping tool to get the image to our Word document. So let me scroll down to see if there is any image anywhere. Let's find a good image. I think I'm seeing an image here. Let me increase the size. Yes. So we have this image. So let us get this image to our Word document using the snipping tool. So to do so, you come here on the search button, down here on the search, and on your computer, and type snipping tool. It will come. It is here, snipping tool, and open the snipping tool. Then you say new. After you say new, you can drag it aside a little bit. When the screen is dark like this, you need to position this plus in a position where it can go down straight like that. Yeah, and the middle arrow, it can go like that straight. So I will start from here because I need to snip this image. Start from here. So I need this image up to there, then I come up to down there, something like that. Let me cut it up to there. Then you, so how am I doing this? I need to explain. Let me move out of this new. Let me say new. So what you do, after you click new, you come here. When you position it well, you left click on your mouse and hold. Okay, don't release. Then you drag. You drag to the position you want until you are satisfied that's the image you want, the one in between the red line, that's the image you want. You release. So when you release, it comes here. Then you save this image. Save as. Yeah, so you can save it on desktop as capture. So you can save it as capture. So I've saved that image. So when I go back to Microsoft Word, and we read the question that we were asked, is that use the snipping tool to get an image from different source to your Word document. Let the image be centered. So we need to insert. You come to insert menu, then picture. Then from this device, and I know it's on the desktop, so I go to desktop. Then we called it capture. It's here. Then I say insert. So you find that it has entered in our document. It's here in our document. Up here, because it was a little bit big, it came down, but you can reduce it to see if it can go back up. Yeah, so you see, it came back up. Let me see. Just a moment. Bring this up. Then I bring this up, the image, and drag it a little bit to resize it. I'm holding there, dragging it a little bit. Then it should be centered. So you come and click align center line. So you find that it comes at the center. So you have an image on your document. So that's how you get, and you save your work. Okay. So you're done. Save your document and close. Okay. Or there's no need of closing because we need to do this on the same document. Here, down here, there's no need of opening another one. We need to design the following diagram as it appears. Yeah, I think this one should be the last one. Okay. Yeah, you save your document and close after you are done with this. Design the following diagram as it appears. Okay, the diagram is this. It has a title, Planting Process for Cultivated Mushrooms. So I will highlight that, Control C, and paste it on my Microsoft Word. Okay, Planting Process for Cultivated. So if I look at it, it is bold and somehow big. So you put it at the middle. It is in the middle. It is bold. You can increase the size or something 18. Okay, let's put size 20. Then the next thing is we have this. We have a box. We have these circles and etc. So let's start with the box. Let's start with the box. You go to insert. Then is it insert or draw? Not draw. Insert. 3 shapes. Then we need a box. Rectangle. Come and draw it here. I think this big is enough. That big is enough. Is it like that? Let me see. Something like that. Maybe I can reduce the size. Maybe it's too big. Something like that, maybe. Yeah. So the problem is, you see the color is blue, and we are supposed to have a black line, and the blue color we remove it. So you come here, we have shape fill, yeah, and the shape outline. So the shape fill, you can fill it with white, okay. Then the shape outline, you can fill, it can be black, okay. So at least we are having that box of ours like that, okay. Then we go back. We are having 1, 2, 3, 4 circles. Yeah, so we can get one circle. Insert shapes. Is it a circle or an oval? Yes, an oval. Yes, can get that. Then we draw it here. That is 1. Let me increase it the size. That is 1. Then this one, I put it there. Yeah, this is just designing. We're learning how to design. So you make 1, ensure it is correct before you do the rest. Okay, I think that's it. Let me reduce this size, something like that. Then we fill white. Then the shape outline black. Okay. Then we can right click on it and say add text, so that we add text, which is prepare fungus. Yeah, so we write there prepare fungus, but we cannot see the text because it is white in color. So you highlight, you go to home, then you put it to black, prepare fungus. I think that's it. Prepare fungus. Then was it bold? Yeah, it's bold. Okay. That line, this line is a bit thick. I don't know. Let me see. But let's leave it like that. Prepare fungus. We're done. So after doing that, you can copy this, copy and paste 3 times. Yeah, because we need 1 here. We need 1. Click that, drag it down there. You click that, bring it on the sides there. Okay, let me take it down. Okay, we are trying to do something good. So you rename, this is incubation, fruiting and harvesting. So you come here inside it, your incubation, fruiting and harvesting. Oh my, harvesting. Is it harvesting? HA or what? Yes, harvesting. Okay, so we are done with that. Then the last thing that we are supposed to do is add the arrows, the black arrows on them. So we need to add that. So we will go back here, insert shapes. We look for an arrow. I think this one, arrow right, arrow down. Yeah, you can just get any of these arrows. Actually here there are so many. Yeah, down, what, but we can get any. Yeah, can just use this. Then what you do, you can bring it here, put it the size you want. Let me see the size. Okay, just need one good one. Reduce the size a little bit. Yeah. Okay. Then shape outline black, fill black, so that it's black. Then you bring it, you can copy this and paste so that we have several. Yeah. Then you can put one here, put another one here, put another one here, put another one here. So the arrows are going that direction, clockwise. So ensure all of them are clockwise. So this one is already clockwise, so you can just, you come on this when it changes to round like that. This is a tool for rotation. You left click and hold and rotate it to a position you want. Okay, I think that one is okay. Okay, you come also here, you do the same, rotate it to a position you want. I think that's one okay. Then this one, come and rotate it to a position you want. Okay, then also this one, click there and rotate it to a position you want. And drag it to position the arrow the way you want. So we are done. That's it. And you save your work. You save your work. So that's how you deal with that. We have managed to design this as it is on this side. Okay, that's how you design that. You save your work and you proceed. Okay, the next thing was, I think that's the end of task 1. So the other one we will deal with it after. So that's it. So this is Microsoft Word, and you see when you're done, you save your work and close the document. There are so many things here that you need to learn. Yeah, if you go pointing, for example, if you want to put bullets, these are the bullets. If you want to put numbering, these are the numbering. Okay, if you want to put spacing between lines and paragraphs, this is where you go. Okay, there are so many functionalities that you can go through the pages, inserting table, cover page. Yeah, all these things are here. Charts, bookmarks, comments. There are things that you can point at it and it explains to you. You just point at it and explain it to you. So you can read through and try these things and see what you can do and see what you can do. So I think that's it. I hope you understood everything, and have a nice one. Have a nice one. Thank you.